Hello and welcome to AliTech. On my channel, I'll be showing you the basics of Microsoft Teams for beginners within a series of videos. As schools worldwide are approaching the new school year on a technical level, I felt it was beneficial to help introduce students and parents to the system. Whether you're familiar with Teams already or have no clue how to use it, my tutorials are sure to help you out. First, let's go through the basic login process. So on your browser, you want to search Microsoft 365. Make your way to the sign-in page is what I'm showing now. You're going to use whatever email address or format your school uses for this type of account. So for me, this is mine, and you're going to sign in with your username, your password, and make your way to the next page. So this is the main Office 365 page. This is where you'll have access to all the applications that are with your account, so Outlook, OneDrive, Word, etc. Among these is Teams, so you're going to click this one right here. Now this is going to take you to the main Microsoft Teams hub, or the main page application. You can actually get it on your desktop to get a shortcut to come into it, or you can go on or you can access it from the web. So this is the main look of the page when you first get into it. So Microsoft Teams altogether is where you're going to be submitting your assignments, finding your assignments, seeing what you get for grades, besides mini school grade books. So the main spot is the activity. This is the feed of where all your assignments are going to come in, all your recents, they're going to come in one by one here. So this is just the main spot you can look for any coming in assignments. If you want to look for an assignment going by a main class, such as say I wanted to look for home maintenance, you can click the class itself here and go onto the page. So if I want to go into economics, the name of the class is right here. Up here we have the posts. This is where the assignment posts will come in one by one with the due date, the name of it, and you can view the assignment. Files is where the teacher will give you any readings you need for any assignments, any syllabuses, anything like that. That is just a reference guide. Assignments is where you can go to look for any assignments you have to turn in that are assigned to you, and you can also look at any assignments that are completed as long as they have a check mark next to them if you turn them in. The grades is just a basic grade book. You can look at what you turned in, how many points it's worth, and if you've only viewed the assignment if you haven't turned it in. So the main post area, if you go to the calendar now, this is where all your meetings are going to be shown by time frame, what class they are, and the duration of them. So this is where you're going to join your meetings. This is where you're going to view them, see what's upcoming. On the assignments is where you can do the same as you did on the Teams tab, is you're going to just click on a class, you can go into it, and you can pretty much just do the same type of thing. It's just a different way to look at it. Files, this is a basic overview of all the files for every class. It's not particular, it's just every file you received for any reference worksheets. On Teams, here, if you go out back to all the classes, if a class has bolded words such as this one, that means that there is an assignment in there that has to be turned in or that you have not completed. If it's not bolded, that means there's no new assignments for that class or no new posts. So that pretty much tells you if you have any new notifications for that class. Up here in the top corner, this is just a little quick shortcut back to any of the other applications, just a quick little shortcut back and forth. And you can actually go back to the main page as well. Right here on this little pen, you can start a chat. You can chat with teachers, you can chat with classmates, any private messages you prefer. You can actually see when people are online as well and when they're busy, such things like that. Up here, this is the main search bar if you need to search any keywords for anything. Up here is your profile picture. You can change your profile picture, your name, how you want to appear in classes. This is just a basic overview of what it looks like when you first go into Teams, how to sign into it. All my other videos are going to show you a lot simpler tasks on how to start a meeting, how to join a meeting, how to start a new chat, how to turn in an assignment, make sure it's turned in, stuff like that. All these simple tasks you need throughout the school year as you go along. So you don't have to sit there and watch long videos. It's just a quick little spurts on what you need to know, the basics. So thank you for watching and check out my other videos.